shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by, stand by. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble,
In a world of dreams, speak the language of life like you know what it even means. And it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong, babe. You're simply the best, better than all.
Is that right? And you've been married 73 years? 70 years. That's an amazing adventure. You have stories to tell.
I love you, Rachel. We first met at a Bible study, and I remember seeing the most beautiful female I've ever seen. But very timid, did not talk much. Over the course of a few months, you opened up to me, and our friendship blossomed into a relationship that we didn't expect. Throughout the course of our relationship, we had great times. We had taken a lot of trips, and there's so many things we could have chose from to be our favorite memory. But the thing that I love doing most with you is praying and growing in faith. We always talked about being equally yoked, getting baptized together, and praying every morning. I have not been perfect, and sometimes I forgot what the Bible has taught me. But I know in my heart that this relationship was a gift from God. It was faith that made us meet, and it will be faith that will guide us to the end. I vow to grow our marriage and family through our faith and having Christianity as our rock. I vow to lay down my life for you as Jesus did for all of us. I vow to try and be more graceful instead of having so much truth. So my words sound sweeter to me when they hit me ears. I also vow that while I might grow old or weak, I will never leave you as long as my heart can beat. Rachel, you are so strong and so empathetic. You have a genuine heart that everyone wants to You know, we make everyone feel their best, and we want everyone to feel their best. And your heart's just full of love, and that, you know, it's a special love that changes the world, you know. And it's also the type of love that, you know, I want in my life forever. So, you know, I can't see myself with anyone else but you, Rachel. So I love you.
We have talked about this day, and here it is. Eddie, you are the most unexpected and best thing that has ever happened to me. You bless and have changed my life daily, little by little, in substantial but beautiful ways. Sometimes I just look at you and my heart is overwhelmed with joy and gratitude, because I know God's heart is more vast than we will ever know, and He is the one who has given us this privilege and gift of being together and living and creating our new story. You have brought a spirit of defiant joy, deep love, and constant laughter to my life, and every day is new with you. Life is definitely an adventure, big or small, and a lot of it is the small things that mean the most. Whether it's road tripping and blasting Bieber, Cher, or some bad country music that you chose, not me. Running to Costco, intending to convert to vegetarian, but leaving with a tri-tip. Or watching scary movies and cuddling at home, making our prickly and antisocial hedgehog hang out with us. It's all good because it's with you. It's funny, when I looked up your name, although not a biblical one, in Old English it means prosperous guardian. And in biblical terms, Rachel means lamb. I liked that illustration because since the beginning, you have always had my back. I knew I could fully trust you, that you would cover and protect me, and that I have learned to know your heart, and it is so gentle with me. Whew. Okay. You give me the safe place to truly be myself, to dream, to create, to love, and to be loved. Your heart is gold, Eddie, and your capacity for love and patience is strong and steadfast. You're extremely generous and never expect credit or recognition. You just help those in need just because. You have been consistent in your pursuit of me, and you walk with the heart abandoned and opened to the heart of Jesus. I'm so blessed and honored and ecstatic to become your wife today. Whew, okay, so Eddie, I vow to honor, respect, and love you. I vow to be honest, transparent, and faithful to you. I vow to listen. I vow to be patient when you drive me crazy and support you in all things. I vow to be slow to anger and see you through eyes of grace. I vow to value your opinion over those of others, and I vow to encourage you daily in the man God created you to be. I vow to laugh with you as much as I laugh at you. I vow to adventure with you till we are gray and old, and I choose you every single day. And lastly, I vow to keep learning how to load the dishwasher.
Rachel is to be your wife. She has offered you a precious thing, her heart, her life, and her love. You may bring her great joy, or you can cause her deep sorrow. It's only as you strive to love her unconditionally and cherish her completely that you will keep her heart warm to yours. So as you state these vows to Rachel, remember that these are sacred and holy and binding vows. Repeat after me. In the name of God, I, Edward, take you, Rachel, to be my wife, my faithful partner, to have and to hold, from this day forward, in the presence of God, our family and friends. In the presence of God, our family and friends. I promise to love you, to honor you, to respect you, to laugh with you and cry with you, to care for you, to protect you, to comfort and encourage you, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until we are parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Edward, will you turn your palms up? And Rachel, you can hold his hand and look into his hands. Look at these hands. These are the hands of your husband. These hands are strong and vibrant with love. These are the hands of the one who's just promised to love and cherish you all the days of your life. These are the hands that will work alongside yours as together you build your future. These are the hands that will love you passionately and comfort you, and the hands that will wipe tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that, when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours, giving you the same tenderness. And these are the hands of your husband. So treasure him. He is God's gift to you. Cherish him, respect him, trust him. Raid your life into his, and love him fully, and enjoy him daily, and always esteem him like you do today. And I'll reach you. The one whose hands you hold is to be your husband, Rachel. As you state your vows, remember that these are sacred and holy and binding today. Repeat after me. I, Rachel, take you, Edward.
I, Rachel, take you, Edward,
To be my husband.
to be my husband,
My faithful partner.
my faithful partner,
To have and to hold.
to have and to hold,
From this day forward.
from this day forward,
In the presence of God, our family, and friends.
in the presence of God, our family and friends.
I promise to love you.
I promise to love you,
To honor you.
to honor you,
To respect you.
to respect you,
To laugh with you and cry with you.
to laugh with you and cry with you,
To care for you and protect you.
to care for you and protect you,
To comfort and encourage you.
to comfort and encourage you,
To cherish you.
to cherish you,
For better, for worse.
for better or worse,
Richer or poor.
richer or poorer,
In sickness and in health.
sickness and in health,
Until we are parted by death.
until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
You can turn your hands upon you. Edward, look into her hands. These are the hands of Rachel, who just promised to love and cherish you all the days of her life. These are beautiful, pure hands that will wipe your tears in thanksgiving, that you would humble yourself and cry for her. These are the hands that will hold yours when fear assaults you, when grief comes. These hands will give you strength and support when you can't do it alone. These are the hands that, when old and wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you tenderness. These are the hands of a woman who is beautiful, committed, sacrificial, and she's now yours. Honor her and cherish her and braid your life into hers. Esteem her and serve her and enjoy her and always thank God for her. Do you have a ring? I hope so. Take the ring and place it on Rachel's finger and repeat after me. With this ring, I promise myself to you, and to you alone, as long as we both show it. Take the ring and place it on between your ears. And repeat after me.
We haven't done this before.
With this ring. With this ring.
With this ring,
I promise myself
I promise myself to you,
and to you alone,
and to you alone,
as long as we both show it.
as long as we both shall live.
So now the bride and groom want to symbolize their devotion to God through sharing in the communion meal. So as they do that, I want to encourage you to just bless them in your heart. Say a silent prayer for them. Let's just pause in silence as they share in this together. till your love fall from me. So, now that Edward and Rachel have publicly given themselves to each other by solemn vows, by the joining of hands, by giving and receiving rings, I now pronounce that you are husband and wife. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit, you may now kiss. It's my privilege to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Sue.
So I got him at different sizes and he said it was too big. I was like, okay, the next size down. Now he's like,